What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, Kaspa is taking over, man. Kaspa absolutely going ballistic, and the chart speaks for itself, guys. We got some nice write-ups in this video we're gonna go through. We got a nice Medium article on all the merch stores that are already using Kaspa, and mining sites that are also using Kaspa as well, and how the growth just keeps expanding for Kas. That's what we're gonna dive into in this video. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Kas and myself be in the description. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project in the space, guys, because it is very risky and very volatile, except when it comes to Kaspa. Guys, I thank y'all so much for the continued support. Remember, I got a Kaspa playlist on the front page of my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for the support that you guys have given me on this previous video. Shout out to Benga, Tanker, Tony Stork, Karsten, Chris, Thora, Bole, Goog, Colon, Shaw, Jorge, CAG, Karsten, Southern, can't speak, Crypto Mind, Motley, Hen, Coiner, Alexander, Mano, Newman, and MOR Moore. Shout out to everybody that commented. Always fun to give shout outs to people every now and again. You know what I'm saying? All of you guys that are showing support on the channel really means a lot. Like I said, blow these Kaspa video up, guys. Spread them all over social media. Share them to Twitter. We can see the growth for Kaspa happening at such a rapid pace. More and more content creators are covering the project. You see BitBoy already bought a nice bag of Kas, and has covered it on his channel as well. Awesome stuff, man. Just absolutely awesome. Right now, Kas is sitting at 0.045 cent, $903 million in market cap, almost $1 billion in market cap. So close to that 1 billion mark. $56 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 28.6% for Kas. The monster, the beast, the unicorn will not stop, man. It will not stop. A lot of people are looking for that breakout, the breakout, because they were predicting we might have a double top here, but that double top pattern didn't form, so we're gonna just continue up, man. And the overall trend for Kas is so bullish. It's just crazy to see. It's insane, man. That's just really awesome stuff. From Pick Shovel, Europe has crypto-friendly laws for Kaspa Pay to grow, plus 700 million e-wallet cell phone pay apps in use. Wow. Find Jesse an AI channel for all new not chill content. Nice, very interesting. We got an article from CoinTurk News. 2.6k followers on CMC. Let's see what they got for us. Let's take a look while that loads. Let's see what else we got in the Kaspa community, what people are talking about. I'm bullish on Kas miner generated 600k per year for mining. Wow, KS3 game changer. How will it affect the price and market? Read more on this link. Nice, subscribe and like. Okay, so we got bullcoins.info, another article site talking about Kaspa. That is just a consistent thing, man. Hodl or go home. I believe Kas will be in the top 10 both in CMC and CoinGecko. This is something different, not your regular Ethereum blockchain crypto. It has potential, especially since it has the ability to have coins and token inside the block DAG like Cas20 crypto. Some projects shouldn't be in the top 10 like Cardano, Solana, Tron, WTF. Seriously, dude. Man, the thing is though, they're so established and they have such a great community. Kas is like that new project where people could get the Cardano, Solana gains early, because a lot of people missed out on Tron, Cardano, Solana when they made their moves. So Kas is like that, second chance to get into a project that could potentially get to the top 10, right? And there's no doubt in my mind, from the rest of the Kas community that the top 10 could be in the midst for Kas, man. Master plan. I'm bullish on Kas. Sensational is this project on the road. That is facts. That is absolutely facts. More articles being written. Telegon. Kaspa price predictions. Nice. Great stuff, man. Seabass, have my fiat ready once this thing dips. Soon we'll be saying hello to 10 cents. Giga bullish. Let's see what this article got, man. Price surges to all-time high. What's behind the rally? They have a breakdown of Kaspa. The price of Kaspa has been steadily increasing since July 6th, reached an all-time high of 49 cents today. Even investors were surprised by the price reaching an all-time high when risk appetite has decreased so much. Indicators are currently sending overbought signals, which usually suggest at least a short-term decline after an all-time high. Okay, so you know, retraces will happen along the way, but the overall trend for Kas, I think, is you know, absolutely insane, and I think that trend will continue. The star altcoin of the day started a steady rise after dropping to 1 cent on May 23rd. Although the price made several lows, an impressive surge began on July 6th. Since then, the price has increased by 144%. The rally stopped at an all-time high for a bearish candlestick. Will Kas continue to rise? Technically, the price can continue to rise as long as the mentioned rising trend line is maintained. Exactly what I just said, the trend. Moreover, the 4-hour RSI also supports further increases since the price is very close to its all-time high. External fib levels can be examined to determine where the price may reach its peak. Let's open up the image. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. These levels are commonly used to determine the highest point of future potential upward movements. When the last part of the decline is measured, the next nearest resistance levels for Kas are 5 cent and the 6 cent regions. Okay, so that's where we potentially would see Kas next. And you know, if you know we don't break those resistances, you could see a pullback to 3 cent. My apologies, 3 cent retrace. Okay. Braver Crypto just bought another 2K worth of Kas at 4 cent and another 1K at 4 or 5 cent. Why? It's this time it's 1K to get my 3-year-old son's long-term portfolio started. Nice. And 1K to get my 1-month-old baby girl's long-term portfolio started. Awesome, man. I always thought of my personal crypto portfolio as an all-encompassing for my whole immediate family. Though my wife had a very logical point that we should start portfolios for each child as well. Genius idea, younger the better. I know there would be a good reason I married her aside from her good-hearted soul. Nice stuff, man. What about the third 1K of Kas? Another genius idea is to put 1K to the family trip to Israel next summer. Nice, man. You see, and these are people that are huge accounts in the space, man. 33K followers. He called Kas super early, Braver Crypto, and he got a lot of great altcoin plays. But Kas looks like, you know, that one that will, you know, that's the one, right? Kas looks like the altcoin call of, like, you know, the decade, right? Captain Sats, this is roughly why time to finality on Kaspa DAG is reduced compared to Ghost DAG. TTF reduction is going to make UX amazing. Can see adoption ramping up with the implemented Bitcoin NC security with same hash rate but faster than Visa. Faster than Visa, guys. Security with the same hash rate but faster than Visa. Wow. Why DAG Night matters. Highly connected DAG means nice latency. All blocks are acknowledged by miners nearly instantly. These are the branches, only 3 confirmations in the first blocks, with 8 blocks wasted, 5 confirmation possibility because of DAG weight. In actual, block DAG confirmations counted by clusters, but this example is simple enough for making you understand. Got you. With DAG Night node found, DAG is highly connected and made K equal 1, so blocks will get deeper with same BPS blocks per second. Now this block has more confirmations with the same amount of time. That is so interesting, man. That is very interesting, guys. Like, the technology that is going into Kas is just incredible. Kas community, Kas is digital silver. We got so many exchange listings to come, right? We got Binance, we got Coinbase, Crypto.com, Bybit, Kraken, Bitstamp, OKX, Gemini, Upbit, There's so many exchanges for Cas, and it's already sitting at close to $1 billion in market cap. Which platform is gonna be next? All of them. These are the ones that it's already listed on. But Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, those are incoming, man. Cas is the fastest L1 proof of work block at 1 block per second, 10 BPS on testnet, soon 32 BPS. In comparison, Bitcoin is 1 block every 10 minutes and Litecoin is 1 block every 2.5 minutes. Litecoin recently just had its Litecoin halving. Very interesting. But we already know, man, Cas, in my opinion, it's gonna blow projects like Litecoin out of the water. No disrespect to the Litecoiners, man. Shout out to all the Litecoiners. Cas is actually capable of realizing Satoshi's vision for scalable electronic P2P cash system, top 10 incoming. And that is like facts to me, man. Look at this. Is, you know, my channel's name is Blockchain Daily because that is what crypto is founded on, the blockchain, right? And I was like, oh, this is cool because I'm inspired by Altcoin Daily. Let me call the channel Blockchain Daily, right? So you could see this is what a typical blockchain is. This is for Bitcoin, and then we could see what a directed acyclic graph is, which is DAG, right? And this is how you get that infinite scalability solution, but you also get security as well because it's proof of work, right? And yeah, pretty much solving the blockchain trilemma, man. OX2080, why is Cas making waves on the top 50? The answer is simple: and expanding network merchants embracing the Cas currency ecosystem, fueling a revolution in advanced technology, empowering the world with unbeatable choices. So you guys see there's more merchants embracing Cas, and this is a article from OX280 with all the merchants that are embracing Cas, right? We got IGV.com, which is trading a largest gaming account trading platform with over 6 million players utilizing Cas. Poolpartyknows.com, you see that they got their Kaspa merch. Wow. Official merchandise store of Kaspa, 100 SKUs related to Cas and different items you could purchase, backpacks, accessories, etc. nhash.net, established in 2021. Renowned mining equipment seller offering wide range of mining rigs for Cas, BTC, ETH, and Litecoin. Look at that, man. Xtrend Speed. Okay, this is a leading online trading platform operated by Rhinat Capital under the FSP license number. It has 10 million users worldwide, and it embraces Cas, man. Look at that. It got indices, Hong Kong, European stocks, etc. Use Cas to allocate traditional assets globally and ignite the global asset market with Cas burning power. So Cas is already being used without, you know, smart contracts going live. That's insane, man. U4GM, founded in 2012 with over 1 million users, Trustpilot rating of 4.9. If you're a player of FIFA, NBA, MLB, other video games, you could buy gaming services from U4GM with Kaspa. As Cas blazes its trail with payment speeds rivaling Visa and MasterCard while costing merely a fraction of traditional payment methods, this proof of work cryptocurrency is destined to take the world by storm. Guys, I'm telling you, I wouldn't fade. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. I know there's a few people that don't like this my form of content style, but you know, I'm inspired from other big YouTubers, man. There's other YouTubers that specifically just cover XRP in the XRP community, and this is their style and format, right? And their channels are super successful, and you know, I like this style of just covering new updates, anything interesting or things from the community, you know, shouting out people, getting people engaged. That's my style and format of content. For the people that do enjoy it, I appreciate you so much. Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Next video incoming, so make sure you tune into the next video. Go rewatch all the previous ones. Go to the Kaspa playlist on the front page of the channel. You know, we got the Kaspa playlist right here for you to go and rewatch the previous videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next.